Chamomile tea is great for skin. Did you know that chamomile is an amazing skincare ingredient? While we love it for its striking blossom, relaxing scent and calming flavor, this small but mighty plant possesses various properties that also make it a skincare savior. Keep watching to learn about how chamomile benefits the skin and how you can incorporate it into your routine. Treat blemishes. Chamomile has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, commonly as an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and mild astringent. Due to these properties, chamomile is an excellent choice to reduce the appearance of blemishes. By applying to the skin immediately upon the first sign of a spot, chamomile can reduce bacteria, helping to prevent the blemish from growing, as well as reduce any inflammation, helping to improve any swelling. Additionally, chamomile has been found to have lightening properties. Combined with its anti-inflammatory effects, it can be used to help improve the look of long-standing acne scars, as well as newer bumps. To incorporate chamomile into your skincare routine, try the Soothing Chamomile Tonic from Eminence Organics. A gentle mist of this product all over the complexion helps to even out the look of skin tone and hydrate the skin. Fight free radicals. Free radicals are thought to be one of the biggest contributors to visible signs of aging. A free radical is defined as a chemical species possessing an unpaired electron. It can also be considered as a fragment of a molecule. In easier terms to understand, free radicals form in our DNA from extrinsic damage such as radiation, poor nutrition, and especially UV exposure. This goes on to damage our DNA, which can cause aging that shows in the skin. Science suggests that not only do sun protection and lifestyle changes decrease the production of free radicals, but that antioxidants, both those consumed and applied topically, can assist as well. Chamomile is a great source of antioxidants, and can easily be ingested or applied to the skin. Try growing your own chamomile to brew into a tasty tea, or in a serum like Eminence Organics Cornflower Recovery Serum. Either option will up your antioxidant intake, helping battle the look of damage caused by free radicals. Calm skin irritations. Whether you suffer from rosacea, eczema, or just general sensitivities, adding chamomile to your skincare routine is a great option. Itching is often caused by inflammation of the skin, either due to environmental factors, such as a change in the season, or a reaction, such as a bug bite. Since chamomile is a natural anti-inflammatory, it can offer general relief to tame the itchy symptoms from these flare-ups. These calming properties can also be used to help improve the pain and redness from a sunburn. Of course, preventing burns in the first place by consistently and correctly wearing sunscreen is the best way to protect your skin. But should you find yourself with a burn, applying chamomile topically is a great treatment. Again, a spritz of a chamomile toner can help relieve the feeling of these symptoms, but for larger areas, a DIY option can be used as well. Brew a strong pot of chamomile tea and allow to cool to room temperature. Place an old, and soft, rag or towel in the tea, either in the pot or in a reusable container, and allow to soak in the refrigerator. Soak for roughly 1 hour or until cold, wring out the cloth and apply the cold compress to the affected area. The cooling temperature will feel heavenly while the chamomile will help offer additional soothing benefits. Reduce under-eye circles. There's a reason that a cup of chamomile tea before bed is an age-old tradition. The flower's flavonoid ingredients make it highly effective at relaxing the mind and body, making it easier for you to turn your brain off at the end of the day. The extra shut-eye not only leaves you with more energy but gives your body the rest it needs to balance and repair your skin. For those late nights where you just can't seem to sleep no matter what you do, chamomile can also come to the rescue the morning after. Its natural skin lightening properties come into play to combat those dark half-moons under your eyes. At the same time, its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce any under-eye swelling. Instead of composting your chamomile tea bags from the night before, store them in the refrigerator and place the cold bags on your under-eye area in the morning, helping to treat the look of puffiness and dark circles. With so many perks and positive outcomes, taking advantage of the healthy skin benefits chamomile provides is a natural way to feel your best. You can also watch 8 other benefits of chamomile tea. These are some powerful remedies for staying young and healthy. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next video.